I posted my first ever video on November of 2023, and I had debated for posting that video for so long. I debated so long, should I post, should I not post, should I show my face, should I cover my face, should I put a mask on so that nobody can recognize me and I can be an anonymous figure online. But then I just decided, like, let's not do that, let's just put myself out there. And I posted that video and I went to sleep. I was happy, I went to sleep, I finally done good work. I woke up and I saw that my friend subscribed to my channel. And my worst nightmare had come true at that time. Because I personally did not want anybody that I know to know about this. Especially considering it's my first ever video. And I was scared. I was going to delete that video so that whenever he says that I have subscribed to your channel, I'll just say, what nonsense. There is no channel like that. And I was scared. Because this was the first time I had put myself out there on the internet without any safety net of parents or teachers or friends or, without being in your own bubble. I had put myself out there to be judged. And then later on that day, in the evening, I met him up. And he looked at me and he told me, Rohit, kya kiya hai bhe tune? And I told him, like, I've been on this journey. And just for context, I've recently finished my 12th grade exam. And so in 11th and 12th, I never used to promote my channel, right? I never told people, like, yo, subscribe to my channel. People just naturally found it. And now you might be thinking, like, oh my god, this is a pretty terrible or a pretty good scenario, right? It's one of these two scenarios. Because most people watching this video, if you want to start like a business in which you're posting these videos, or even like creating content, you probably have this fear of being judged by the people you know. You probably have a fear like, oh my god, my friends will know about this. They will judge me for this. I don't want my friends to know I'm posting content online. You probably have that fear. And I'm here to tell you there are two instances and two cases in which you will be faced with. And the way you solve these two cases is the same method. The first case is that people find your channel and they start respecting you more. I've had people come up to me and they've shown respect to me more after knowing that I have posted content online. You might not believe this, but it does happen. There will be people who will actually look at you and be like, damn, like that's respectful, and they will actually respect you. That's one scenario. The other scenario is where they don't respect you and they tease you. They make fun of you by the way they look, by the way you look, by the way you sound, by the way you speak online. They will make fun of you. But guess what? There is one solution to both of these problems. I don't want to waste your time in this video. The way you deal with this situation is you just accept it and move on. What happens is that usually when any of these situations happen, we get stuck up in those feelings. You just gotta accept and then move on. Like, there is nothing else you can do. Accept it and then move on. If somebody is teasing you for it, they're calling you names, they're like, Habe, this guy is so cringe, look at the way he speaks. You just laugh it off and say like, yeah bro, I'm cringe, and just move on with your life. Because these instances are very small. You are going to face them in the future, or maybe right now you're facing them. You will be facing these instances. You just gotta move on. Like, just accept it and just move on. You just get over that fear, start posting videos and deal with the situation, take it head on and move on as soon as possible. Don't spend time thinking like, oh my god, what if this person says this or this person said this. No, just accept it and move on. If they tease you, just laugh it off. Just accept it like, yeah damn, I look ugly as hell on camera, and move on. They'll be shocked. The teasing works when the other person is opposing them, not when you accept it. So just accept it and move on. I'm releasing a software which is going to help you create content better, and I'm going to run a cohort in which for 7 days I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So if you're interested in knowing all about it, you can see the first link in the description and sign up for the waitlist. It's only going to be 50 people who are going to get access to it. If you want access to it, just click the link in the description and sign up. And subscribe while you're out there. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.